Yesterday, Tesla CEO Elon Musk visited Giga Berlin. He walked through an entire production line. He said the team at Giga Berlin is doing an excellent work, and he echoed the observations of analysts who visited Giga Berlin last week. Yesterday and the day before, Elon Musk was also in Norway. He was at the conference, and after that he visited Giga Berlin. Giga Berlin seems to be steadily finding its rhythm, friends. Less than a week since thoroughly impressing a number of analysts from several financial firms, the German-based electric vehicle plant of Tesla has earned its seal of approval from none other than the CEO Elon Musk himself, who visited there. In recent comments and his tweets, Elon Musk stated that Giga Berlin's team is doing, quote-unquote, doing excellent work. Musk visited Norway, as you know, earlier this week, I think for a day or two, to speak at the 2022 Offshore Northern Shore Conference. Following the event in Stavanger, Rogaland, Musk headed over to Germany to visit Giga Berlin. If you remember, during the event in Stavanger, he spoke about the need to drill for more oil and gas because he said we can't turn to electrification immediately, and even there was an action against him from the environmental young group who switched the alarm and had the fire alarm triggered. Anyway, local media reports note that Elon Musk's trip to Giga Berlin was an unofficial visit, though the CEO was reportedly looking to check the facility and its current capabilities. I mean, I wouldn't call it, it's unofficial, but I wouldn't call it not planned, because if you fly all the way to Norway, why not fly 1.5 hours to Giga Berlin area, Berlin airport, and check the facility, the operation of line at Giga Berlin, and so on. These reports appear to have been accurate, as Musk later noted on Twitter that he had just spent the day walking through the entire Gigafactory Berlin production line. According to CEO, he was quite impressed with the facility so far, writing, "Spent the day walking entire Giga Berlin production line. Team is doing excellent work," Musk wrote on Twitter. I'm glad he is satisfied with the team. Like I said, his comments echo the observations of analysts who visited Giga Berlin last week. A team from UBS, for one, stated that Giga Berlin has the potential to become Tesla's most profitable gigafactory. The firm also observed that some parts of the Model Y factory are already prepared for a run rate of 10,000 vehicles per week, because Giga Berlin had made a drastic decision, went cold turkey, stopped the entire production for 2 weeks in order to improve and speed up the production at each workstation at Giga Berlin. Jefferies was on the same boat with one of the other analysts, noting after its visit that Tesla is leading industry transformation. Deutsche Bank, as I reported yesterday, Deutsche Bank analyst Emmanuel Rosner echoed these sentiments as well. In a note to investors, Rosner maintained his buy rating on the electric vehicle maker while giving Tesla stock an optimistic price target of $375 per share post-split. In his note, the analyst noted that Giga Berlin could be a game changer that could make Tesla a formidable competitor in the region. Tesla has ambitious goals for the coming years. The company expects to sell 20 million cars per year by 2030, and for this to happen, each of its gigafactories would need to be optimized and ramped. That means Tesla at least needs 20 gigafactories by 2030, each of them making 1 million vehicles. Right now, the capacity at Giga Berlin, Giga Austin, and Giga Shanghai, the announced capacity is 500,000. That means in the upcoming years, we should hear more about Tesla gigafactories. If it wants to build 20 million cars, we need to hear at least 7 more gigafactories, each of them building 2 million cars per year. Anyway, Gigafactory Berlin, which is expected to provide popular vehicles like the Model Y to the European market, plays a pivotal role in Tesla's target. With this in mind, a seal of approval from both financial firms and Elon Musk bode really well, friends, for the plant to to operate as a whole. Anyway, so one of those analysts, like I said, is the new research analyst Pierre Ferragu, who particularly spoke about the car quality produced at Giga Berlin. Ferragu wrote that he was stunned by the quality of the Tesla Model Y performance version that Giga Berlin produces. He expected it to be premium, like a Fremont-made car, but the evaluation showed that the car was already in the luxury league, past the premium, as its quality was fully equivalent to that of German luxury cars. The analyst believes that the main driver of these improvements is the experience that Tesla has gained at other factories. Here's what Ferragu wrote. He wrote that the interior design is about the same as Fremont-made one, simple, but the quality of the upholstery and overall finish is far superior. Flawless. As I mentioned, the quality of the build, Ferragu writes, that you can evaluate manipulating doors, observing panel gaps, painting, color, was surprisingly excellent. Remember, Elon Musk also used the word excellent, that team is doing excellent work. Anyway, let's continue with Ferragu about the quality and durability of Tesla Model Y produced at Giga Berlin. He said, how is this possible that Tesla is building this high quality at Giga Berlin? Being based in Germany probably has a lot to do with it, he said, adding that local skills matter. He added that in parentheses. But he says, my impression was that the major driver of these implements is simply experience. Berlin is a much improved factory compared to Fremont, and we see it in its cost efficiency as much as in the quality of the products coming out of it. Now, speaking of the cost, Ferragu came to the conclusion that compared to the Fremont factory, Giga Berlin is clearly much more efficient. Logistics inside the factory are much easier with ducts that surround the factory on all sides and ensure that parts arrive at the right place in the production chain. The single manufacturing line is designed for a cycle time of 45 seconds and will deliver 10,000 cars per week at full capacity. The key factor is that Giga Berlin's vehicles are produced with a single piece rear casting and will move to rear and front casting as soon as Giga Berlin is ready to build the 4680 batteries, or at least the 4680 batteries are available at Giga Berlin, coming maybe from Gigafactory Austin, but the cell building at Gigafactory is almost ready, and Giga Berlin maybe in a couple of months will be able to produce its own 4680 batteries. The analyst reiterated that production with a structural battery pack significantly reduces cost for Tesla vehicles, factory footprint, number of robots for welding, and allows for a much easier assembly. He said that the trend couldn't be clear. Tesla is delivering steadily cost improvements, and yes, reading my first 2 points leads you to the conclusion that over time, Tesla is doing cheaper and better products. It is usually a good recipe to grow profitability. If you can make cheaper and better products, you will grow your profitability. And friends, on a side note, casting doesn't only reduce manufacturing costs, it also reduces the weight and increases the safety of the car, improving the product, Ferragu wrote. Anyway, so things seem to be really going well at Giga Berlin. As Elon Musk said that he spent the day working the entire Giga Berlin production line. Team is doing excellent work. Let me know what you think about the Giga Berlin's progress. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please like this video if you found it interesting. That will help to put it in front of more people. God bless you, everyone. I'll look forward to see your comments in the comment section below. I would appreciate if you could share these videos with your friends in your social media channels. I'll see you soon in our next report.